What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fishing with A-Train. It's another beautiful day here in the great state of Arkansas. We're out here at Bishop Park today. Ruby's getting a bite. Ruby's getting a bite. Somebody grab her fishing pole. But gonna see if we can't catch some. Ruby's bobber's already bouncing. So y'all stay tuned. There we go. Finally got me one. A little yellow bass.
Did you?
Yeah.
So they're still over here. They're all over. They were. I seen them.
I'm catching up to you, babe.
I had two of them follow that one little one up.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what they were doing.
A little yellow bass out here. Am I still recording? Yeah.
Out of the creek.
Right.
Because you know you come out of the creek.
Oh, had to have. They didn't put no yellow bass in here.
Makes me want to go over here to the creek. You know it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm fishing these out.
Oh yeah, I know. Michaela said abandoned. Abandoned a fish. There we go. That one feels decent.
Is he?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm using this ultralight rod.
Is that the TFO gate?
Yeah.
That thing's long, isn't it?
He's a little fatty. Little fat little bream.
Go examine his fish.
What? You think you got a bite? Whoa, where you going?
Get the stick off.
What are you doing? You got one for your walking?
I need to examine his fish.
That one's almost big enough to
Make
eat.
sure it's okay.
About.
Daddy, do it have a...
I was unhooking this fish I caught.
No, let me touch it. Good fishy.
You want to look at it?
Let me pet it again. Good fishy. Good, very good boy.
I'm about to throw it back in.
We'll see y'all later.
I'm gonna, later, bro. Hey, your daddy's leaving without you.
Good fishy.
What's wrong, Ruby? Where? It's way over there. It's not gonna bother us, babe.
Hold on. I want to throw it.
You want to throw it back? Here.
Never mind. I just want to pet it.
Oh, there Daniel got him another one. Yeah, about the same size.
Ruby, get your rod.
What, Ruby? Help you what? You want me to help you catch a fish? Okay. Right.
Ruby, you want to
Ruby.
reel this in for me?
There's a fish on your pole.
Come here, reel
Go
this
reel it in.
Hurry,
Before it gets off.
Hurry.
I'll help you. Come on.
hurry.
No.
I'm holding it for you.
See,
I'm holding it for
see,
you. All
get-
you gotta do is reel him in.
Come on, go reel it in. Go reel your fish in. Come on, let's go reel it in. I'll help you. Come on, Ruby.
I don't know who you're taking it to, but he's taking it down. He's like, it felt like a pretty decent one.
It's a pretty one, Ruby. No, it's not dead.
He's alive. The only way he's gonna die is if we.
You want to help me throw him back? He did halfway swallow it. What? You want to take a picture with your fishing pole holding it like this? Throw it in with your fishing pole? We gotta unhook him. You trying to use him for bait and catch a bigger one? What must you want me to put it back out there so you can reel it in? What do you want to do? You want me to cast it back out? And you can reel it back in?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, come reel it back in. You gonna reel it in? Keep reeling.
I got it.
Come on, you almost got him. Keep reeling. Come on, keep reeling. You gotta get him up out of the bushes. There you go. Come on. Ruby caught a fish. Yeah, it's a small one. We're gonna throw him back.
No, I doing like that. Wait, what's that?
Pliers so I can get it unhooked. Cause he swallowed it kinda. Alright, let's throw him back.
I get it.
You'll have to catch another one.
Oh, no, Ruby is tangled over my line. Ruby, that's when you can't walk around with your fishing pole when your line in the water.
I'm telling you, there's a fish on there too. Gotta be a fish on there.
Ruby, stop. I need you to be still. I can't untangle it if you're moving around. All right. Now reel it around. Now reel it up. Yep.
Is he still on it?
Yep.
That never fails, does it? I seen it flip under real fast, and I was like, "Yep, he
A
got it."
little long here while I was tangled up.
Caught a bag. Caught someone like that.
What, baby? We almost done? Why? You getting tired?
I got it now.
Oh, there. Daniel got him one. It is 4:30. Yeah, we'll stay. We're gonna.
Dad, do you see any turtles in there?
You didn't see any turtles in there?
Yeah.
I haven't seen any turtles in there today, but I bet there are some. There we go. Another long ear. You want to see it? No?
You want to catch fish?
You want Uncle Daniel to help you catch fish?
Well, come here.
Another one of these pretty little long ear.
Come here.
Go down there with Uncle Daniel so he can help you catch a fish.
Surely he didn't pull all that worm off.
It's on the hook.
Let me give him to you. I thought you wanted worm. Here, Ruby.
Here, Uncle Daniel hooked him for you. Reel it in.
Real. Here.
Before he gets off. Yeah, I'll help you.
Hurry, you got a fish.
Reel it in. Oh, does it feel like a good one? Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on, we almost got him. Real fast. There we go. There we go.
I think he got off.
Oh, he got off. Oh, man. You want Daniel to help you again? Okay.
Well, you got to get me one of them worms over there.
Yeah, I'll put a worm on there for you.
Slide down this hill here. Yep. Here. Reel.
Reel it in. Reel it in.
Come on, reel.
You got it. Come on.
She's like, I gotta stand up. I hooked him that time.
You gonna reel it? Keep reeling.
Keep reeling.
Oh, Ruby.
Reel it on in. Reel all the slack out of the line. There we go. Way to go, Ruby.
Can we catch you another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
You gonna reel it this time?
Here. Hold your pole like this so we can.
Yeah,
Here.
let Mama take a picture
Ruby,
of you with
hold
the
your fishing pole so we can get a picture.
Just
Just look. Look, Daddy will hold the fish. You just hold the fishing pole. Okay?
Mommy wants to take a picture. Smile, Daddy. Look, Ruby, look at me. Oh, yeah.
I like to see his dad.
Dad.
I like to see his dad. That's all I can see.
Ruby,
All right,
Daniel's
then.
taking a picture too. He's still got some worm on there.
This time I said
Alright. Alright, I'll take it down there. Whoa, 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 look out. You're about to hook me. Remember, you got to push the button. Whoa. You let go of the button too soon. It's behind you.
You gonna sit down here by him, Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to cast it or you want me to cast it? Okay. Where? Well, here, reel it in. Reel it in. Reel.
You got another one?
Reel. 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 Real fast. Reel. Reel.
You got it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Reel it. Bobber's over here now.
What?
Keep reeling.
Yeah.
Keep reeling. Come on. Keep reeling. It's like, I don't want no more of that.
Once the fish gets close.
Here, Ruby. You gotta help me take it off.
Here, hold your fishing pole.
You gotta help me take it off.
Here, you hold your fishing pole.
Mom.
He's barely hooked. Let me reel it in for you. I can't. Here,
There's a fish on it. Reel it in.
Reel. Reel. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on. Reel it in.
Way to go. Way to go, Ruby. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got him. Once they get on the bank, she's
I
done.
don't want no part of that one.
That's a fat
He
one.
is fat.
Dang, Ruby, catching these fat ones.
I didn't get a big one. I want a big one.
You want a big one?
I want you to get a big
That's a
one.
pretty big one.
Here you go, Ruby. It's out there.
Here, stand right there.
I think there's a turtle out there. Bobber.
Yeah, looks like it. Oh, 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 oh.
Reeling.
Start reeling.
Reel, 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 reel. Reel.
Keep reeling. You got him on there. He's hooked.
Here, Ruby.
It might be the big one.
Ruby. Hurry. Oh, did he get off? Oh, man, did he get off?
I think he got off.
Oh. That's not fun, is it?
Get off that.
I know. See if we can catch him again. Oh, 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 start reeling.
Reel, 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 reel.
Real fast, as fast as you can. Come on, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling.
I think he got off. Snap.
Got off again.
Snap.
Oh man. Leave it right there. Maybe there'll be a fish right there.
I got one.
You put it back out there? Okay.
She said yeah. I know. The problem with them little spin cast reels is that they're so slow.
I know.
Oh, you got one. You got one.
Get a little jerk.
Real fast. Real fast, real fast.
He already let go of it,
All
didn't
right, hold on. Hold on, stop.
he? No, he's still on there, isn't he? Yeah, he's still on there.
Yep.
He's
Keep
still on
reeling,
there.
keep reeling.
Reel, baby.
Reel.
Reel. He's still on there.
Keep reeling.
He's
He come off. He come off again. Oh man.
goes under. Them are good for crappie fishing. There's a little rod going.
Yeah.
There it goes. There it goes. Reel.
Reel it in.
Reel it real fast. Still on it. No, don't push the button. Feel
Oh, take the button. Let your hanger off the button. There you go. Keep reeling. He's still on there. Keep reeling. Reel it fast as you can.
Reel, 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 reel. I think you come off. I think he came off.
Yeah, he came off.
Let's try it again. No, he's still
Oh,
on
he's
there.
still on there.
He's still on there.
There he is.
Wait, Ruby! Ruby!
It's just a little bream.
Not wasting that worm. That's a good piece of worm.
See those worms.
Ruby!
They're down there on the ground.
Ruby! Ruby!
Ruby, you got a fish?
You got another one.
Ruby! Hurry!
Oh.
He's on there. I'll hook you. Hurry!
Reel it in.
Hurry! Reel! Reel, 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 reel! Reeling! Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Got another one.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you having fun now? I thought you was ready to go home.
No.
Oh. Okay.
I want me to get one again.
What?
I want to get one again.
You see that little minnow jump over it?
Yeah.
Want to get one again. Again.
Catching all the fish this evening.
But I can eat them at home.
We threw them all back. How we gonna eat them at home? There was all little ones today.
Still got them flies in that.
Today, the big one's over there.
The big ones are over there.
Yeah. In a minute, we have to go over there.
Oh,
Where?
in a minute we're gonna have to leave, baby.
In a minute,
It's
we have
after
to go
5
over
o'clock
there.
already.
In a minute, we have to go up there. That's the big one.
We'll have to come back and try to catch the big one another time.
Why?
Because we're gonna have to go home. It's getting late. We gotta get you ready for bed. Still gotta cook dinner.
Apple stop.
You want to reel this in, Ruby?
Ruby, you got another one.
You want to reel this in? There you go. Reel him. Reel. He's taking her up the bank, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. Might be a good one. Keep reeling, Ruby. Keep reeling. I think that's a good one. Well, maybe not. He's fighting hard.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Come on.
That is a fat one. That's a good one. You got a big one, Ruby.
And that's a decent one.
That's the one that would be good, worth keeping.
I think pull and just get it.
That's a good one.
Look at that big old brim you caught, Ruby.
Yeah, I did.
Big old bluegill.
Are you done?
Yeah, we gotta go home, baby. You done caught the biggest fish out here today.
We got one more piece of worm. Yeah, we got a little bit of worm there.
Why he knows.
He was fast.
Yeah, he was. You want to catch another one? All right, we'll try to catch one more, and then it's time to go to home.
Wait.
want this pole?
You want that fishing pole?
You want it?
That's the one you caught all the fish on.
You want it?
It might be your new lucky fishing pole.
I got another one in the house. Okay, you can have this one. This can be yours. You can tell Dad he can retire that one.
What do you say? You said thank you?
Oh, you're welcome.
Hey, you gotta grab your cup.
Here, Ruby. Here.
Oh,
It's for you.
there's a hook sticking out of my bag somewhere. I just stabbed my
It's
finger.
a worm.
You got you a plastic worm? We can put it in your tackle box when we get home. We forgot to bring your tackle box with us today.
You got a tackle box, Ruby? You do? Tell Dad to get you some jig heads too.
I think she's got a couple.
Where's your tackle box?
It's at home.
How you gonna carry all that? Look at that. I got a whole bunch of them. Me and Dad can't waste them. There's too many of them.
Well, we had a pretty good little afternoon family fishing trip this evening. Ruby caught a bunch of fish, caught the biggest one. I think just about everybody caught at least one. But we had fun, caught some fish. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till next time, thanks for fishing with A-Train.